This is Nadi Laimut at Elliott with Forex with your weekly overview for the British Pound US Dollar pair for the trading week starting Monday, 11th of January 2016. In our previous analysis, the main count expected cable to make new lows. However, cable continued moving downwards, and as you are all aware, we had that downwards movement under the microscope and have been tracking this downwards movement on a daily basis down to the hourly chart. With the recent downwards movement, cable has entered an uncharted price territory that has not been visited for the past 5 years. This week's main count expects cable to continue moving downwards, while the alternate count expects that cable has one last push upwards before resuming its downtrend. It's worth noting that the alternate count's target does not provide a practical trading target. However, it should only be used as a guide. As always, we will wait for either count's confirmation point to be reached to determine the highly probable count. On the main 6-hour chart, this count expects that within with 3 black, waves 1 and 2 blue are complete, and that wave 3 blue is unfolding toward the downside. Wave 1 blue unfolded as a leading diagonal, labeled waves 1 through 5 pink, with wave 3 pink unfolding as a zigzag labeled A, B, and C green, and as well with 4 pink unfolded as a zigzag labeled A, B, and C green. To complete wave 1 blue, wave 5 pink unfolded downwards as a zigzag labeled A, B, and C green, and after the completion of wave 1 blue, wave 2 blue was a shallow correction toward the upside as a zigzag labeled A, B, and C pink, with wave C pink unfolding as an impulse labeled waves 1 through 5 green. It's expected that wave 3 blue is unfolding toward the downside as an impulse, and within wave 3 blue, waves 1 and 2 pink are complete, with wave 1 pink unfolding as an impulse labeled waves 1 through 5 green. With wave 3 pink underway, it's expected that waves 1 through 4 green are complete, and that wave 5 green is unfolding downwards. This count would be confirmed by movement below 1.4494, and we have 2 targets for the completion of wave 5 green and therefore wave 3 pink. The first target is at 1.4450, as at that level wave 5 green would reach 0.618 the length of wave 1 green, and the second target is at 1.4355, as at that level wave 5 green would reach equality with wave 1 green. This count's invalidation point is at 1.4605, as within with 5 green, no second wave may retrace more than 100% the length of the first wave. It should be noted that MACD is starting to show signs of strength, supporting that a third wave is underway. If that upper invalidation point was met, we will move automatically to the alternate 6-hour chart, and the alternate 6-hour chart expects that wave 4 green is incomplete, and that wave 4 green has more to offer towards the upside. This count could be confirmed by movement above 1.4605, and we have a very close target at 1.4617, as at that level wave 4 green would reach 0.382 the length of wave 3 green, and that is a common target for the completion of a fourth wave. This count would be invalidated by movement above 1.4694, as wave 4 green may not enter the price territory of wave 1 green. As well, this count would be invalidated by movement below 1.4494, as within wave 4 green, which is a double zigzag, an X wave may not retrace more than 100% the length of its W wave. So to wrap this up, this week's main count expects cable to continue moving downwards to complete with 3 pink, while the alternate count expects that cable has one push toward the upside to complete a fourth wave before reversing directions and moving towards the downside to complete a fifth wave, and therefore with 3 pink. That's all for me today. Happy trading and have a nice week.